Xin chào các thầy cô, em xin đọc bài tập. What's your name? I am 20 years old. Where are you from? I am from Vietnam. How old are you? My name is Anna. I am a student. Do you have any brother or sister? My hobbies are reading and playing sports. I like reading books. He a teacher. Okay.